Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got Alpine set of DSP which is available. So we have Tapas over here who will be going to talk about what all DSP available and how it is going to benefit by adding DSPs. So we have Tapas from Alpine team. So he is going to tell us why we need DSP, where we can use DSP, and is going to tell us like what all DSP is available in Alpine. Welcome Tapas.
Hi, sir.
So first thing Tapas, you should explain us what is DSP.
So, what is DSP means? The DSP is called digital signal processor. So, what is digital signal processor? So, it convert analog signal to digital signal processor.
Tapas, what is the use of DSP?
So, the use of DSP means the people who need a good audio. Suppose you have a good speaker, but an amplifier also. But so what amplifier did? Like you can tune the gain control and you'll get the treble control in the amplifier, so you'll not tune as per the frequency wise. So what is the use of DSP means? You can tune each and every frequency through DSP. Like suppose you need the guitar maximum, or you need the vocal, or you need the drum, or you need the bell, you can tune each and every frequency through DSP.
So basically you meant to say like when you're using DSP, you can tune according to your choice of music.
Yes, you can tune it according to your choice. So there on one more features in the DSP like the time correction. So what is time correction means? Suppose there are the speaker available in the front right, front left, rear right, rear left. So when you install only the amplifier or through the unit you are playing to the speaker, so only you will get the sound from the right left. You will not get the from the centers or from the your like up or surrounding. So through DSP you can tune it through the time correction. So if you need the staging, you can do it like staging.
Okay.
If you need surrounding sound, you can get it through surrounding sound also. If you need orchestra type, you can use it as an orchestra type also. So through the time correction you can play with the music.
So basically you meant to say time correction, like if you're traveling alone in your car, so you want specifically to be heard from this particular corner, so you can set it in DSP.
Definitely. Even if it is a self-driven car, you can tune it accordingly. If it is a not self-driven car, suppose you are sitting behind, so you can tune it accordingly to your seat, wherever you are sitting.
Okay. So the other main question is like I have a company system or I'm completely upgrading my car. So where I can use DSP?
So in the company system, suppose if you only add the DSP with the company speaker, you can go with that also. Or if you want to upgrade the speaker also, on that situation you can go with the DSP also. So both, and accordingly you can choose the DSP.
Suppose let's assume like I have my company speakers in my car. So if I have to use DSP, should I use amplifier or subwoofer, or can I add DSP directly?
Suppose you are not upgrading the speaker, only you want a good sounds through the factory speakers, then you can go with the basic, some kind of basic DSP. Or if you want to like upgrade the speaker also and amplifier, then you can upgrade it according to that.
How do you suggest, like for a customer who wants to add DSP, do you suggest him to change completely speaker and add a DSP, or with their existing speaker you will tell him to add a DSP?
We can suggest like those who are having a audio lover, those who are audio lovers, okay, who want the good music, we'll suggest him to upgrade the speaker also as well as amplifier and DSP. Or those who just want to upgrade the sound quality, enhance the sound quality, that time he can use only add-on DSP. It will be helpful for them.
So guys, we have enough discussed on DSP, how we are going to use DSP, where we are going to use DSP. On the coming videos on Alpine DSP, we'll be making each video like from 4-channel DSP to 6-channel to 8-channel to 12-channel, where we are going to use DSP. So Tapas will be walking through us on each of those models in the car, talking about what is DSP. For next set of videos on DSP, please follow RSCARPREMIUM.